it's time to spray our artwork. So first thing first, do it outside the house. Dapat nasa labas kayo. Don't spray on windy spaces or area. Dapat walang electric fan. Wear mask like this and eyes protections. Sprayer has a hazardous fume and it's very flammable. It if you're exposed on it or yung skin nyo, it could irritate your skin or your eyes. And it's very bad to our lungs. Kaya I recommend that you ask an adult to do it for you. And this is very important. The most important is don't spray near an open fire because this is, I repeat, this is highly flammable. So how to spray it? First, shake nyo muna ng mabuti. Shake. Then maintain a distance between you and your artwork. Mga 1 foot. Yung distance dapat pa nag-spray kayo. Huwag nyong spray ng malapit. Ha? Kasi hindi maganda yung kalalabasan nun. So dapat parang mist lang ang tumatama. So spray it like this. Horizontally muna. Make sure na nako-cover nyo ang buong space. Tapos, para make sure, vertically naman. So, hiniga ko yung artwork natin, to spray it vertically. Mapapansin nyo, magi-glare ng konti at mai-enhance yung color ng artwork nyo after spraying. But this is very important. Don't touch it after spraying. Wait until it's dry before you remove the tape. Okay? So that's how you spray your artwork.